Angie here. Welcome to English speaking class. My students, viewers, today we are going to view the use of causative verbs. Causative verbs are of great importance. They are used in speaking. Causative verbs are of many types. You may say that make, let, cause, and many more. Today get, and many more. Today we are going to use of causative verbs in spoken phrases. Our lesson and our topic of today's use of causative verbs in spoken. My students and viewers, my listeners, we will make a practice with these famous and important causative verbs in different phrases. Let's start our lesson behind on whiteboard. My students and viewers, हम आज causative verbs का इस्तेमाल देखते हैं. Causative verbs जो हैं ये make somebody else, someone else to do the work for somebody. Causative verbs make the other bodies, make the other person to do work for someone else, and they are very famous and important causative verbs. They influence, they force, they persuade, and they convince others, some person, somebody, some lady, to do the work for someone else. Let's see these causative verbs of great importance used in different phrases, different sentences, and they are a part of parcel of communication and speaking. Let's see our today's lesson on the whiteboard. The first one you see here, the first is he let me ride his new car. He let me ride his new car. He let me ride his new car. उसने मुझे अपनी नई कार चलाने दी. You see that he is a subject. He is not doing a specific verb. Instead, he let me ride his new car. He let me ride his new car. He granted permission to me to drive his new car. He permitted me to drive his new car. So the subject here is silent, but is influencing me to ride to drive his new car. So you see that this is a beautiful causative verb. Let let is used as a causative verb in this phrase, and he is a subject. He influences me to ride his new car. He let me ride his new car. He let me ride his new car. He let me drive his new car. He let me drive his new car. उसने मुझे अपनी नई कार चलाने दी. He let me ride his new car. उसने मुझे अपनी कार पर सवारी करने दी. He let me drive his new car. उसने मुझे अपनी नई कार चलाने दी. Same as he let me ride his new car. उसने मुझे अपनी नई गाड़ी पर सवारी करने दी. उसने मुझे अपनी नई गाड़ी पर सवारी करने दी. He let me drive his new car. He let me drive his new car. So he is the subject here, but it's itself not doing or driving the car, but he let me, he permitted me, he influenced me to drive or ride his new car. So this is a beautiful causative verb, let, which is used in this phrase, and let influences me to drive his new car, to ride his new car. Let's see the next phrase. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. You see the next one is they help Z learn English. They help Z learn English. They help Z learn English. उन्होंने Z की मदद की इंग्लिश सीखने में. उन्होंने अंग्रेजी सीखने में जी की मदद की. So you see again that they is a subject, but they is not itself doing some task, but it influences, it helps out Z learn English. So help is a causative verb because help influences the learn English. So they help the learn English. उन्होंने अंग्रेजी सीखने में जी की मदद की. They help the learn English. They help the learn English. This is another sentence or a phrase in which we see that help is used as a causative verb. They help the learn English. They help the learn English. So here see that the English is learned by Z. The English is learned by Z. Z is influenced, Z is convinced to learn English, and they are helping him out. They are helping her out. They are helping Z out to learn English. So here see that help is a causative verb. They help Z learn English. They help Z learn English. उन्होंने Z की अंग्रेजी सीखने में मदद की. उन्होंने अंग्रेजी सीखने में Z की मदद की. They help Z learn English. They help Z learn English. You see that Z is the main objective main noun that is influenced by them to learn English. So causative verbs are clear in forcing somebody else to do the task for others. So same situation is here in these two phrases, in these two sentences we have read out. So they help the learn English. They help the learn English. उन्होंने जी की इंग्लिश सीखने में अंग्रेजी सीखने में मदद की. So help is a causative verb and help is the past form of help. Let's see the next phrase, next sentence. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. Next one you see here. Rex had the cook to cook food. Rex had the cook to cook food. Rex had the cook to cook food. In this phrase you see that Rex is a subject, but it's not doing itself any task, but he put the cook to cook food. He forced the cook to cook food. He persuaded the cook. Rex persuaded the cook to cook food. Rex ने बावर्ची से खाना पकवाया. Rex ने बावर्ची से खाना पकवाया. Had is the past form of has and have, and we are having had here as a causative verb. Have, had. Have is a present form and had is the past form of have. So had is used as a causative verb in this statement. Rex had the cook to cook food. Rex ने बावर्ची से खाना पकवाया. Rex ने बावर्ची से खाना पकवाया. My students, very beautiful phrase, and causative verb had is used, the second past form of had. So Rex had the cook. Rex had the cook to cook food. Rex ने बावर्ची से खाना पकवाया. Rex ने बावर्ची से खाना पकवाया. And had is used as a causative verb. Here, a first form of had is have, present form is have. So have is also a causative verb, and had is its past form. So in this sentence, we used had in the past form. So Rex had the cook to cook food. Rex had the cook to cook food. Rex ने बावर्ची से खाना पकवाया. Let's move to the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले को देखते हैं, अगले बयानी को देखते हैं. Next one you see here. Dolly got her house painted. 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 डॉली ने अपने घर को रंग करवाया. डॉली ने अपने घर को पेंट करवाया. You see that dolly is a subject and get is a causative verb and got is its past form. Got is the past form of get. So get is used as a causative verb and its past form got is here. Dolly got her house. Dolly got her house painted. डॉली ने अपने घर को रंग करवाया. डॉली got her house painted by a painter. डॉली got her house painted by a painter. डॉली ने अपने घर को रंग करवाया. डॉली itself is not doing the task, but it forces, it influences the painter to paint her house. So Dolly got her house painted. Dolly got her house painted by a painter. Dolly got her house painted. Dolly ने अपने घर को रंग करवाया. In this phrase we have a causative verb get and its past form got. Got is the past form of get. So get is also a beautiful causative verb and we have used beautifully in this phrase got. Dolly got her house painted. डॉली गॉट हर हाउस पेंटेड. डॉली ने अपने घर को रंग करवाया. आइए नेक्स्ट फ्रेज देखते हैं, अगले जुमले को देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज will you let me study please. will you let me study please. इंटरोगेटिव साइन. will you let me study please. क्या आप मुझे मुतालिया करने देंगे. मेहरबानी करके क्या आप मुझे मुतालिया करने देंगे. will you let me study please. will you let me study please. You see that will is for interrogative and in future and use a subject and let is a causative verb and I and me is an object and me and I are persuading, influencing, forcing subject you that they should let me study. So will you let me study please. will you let me study please. कि मेहरबानी करके आप मुझे मुतालिया करने देंगे. मेहरबानी करके आप मुझे मुतालिया करने देंगे. क्या मेहरबानी करके आप मुझे मुतालिया करने देंगे. will you let me study please. will you let me study please. मेहरबानी करके क्या आप मुझे मुतालिया करने देंगे. Here you see that let is used as a causative verb and it is persuaded, it is convinced, it is influenced. Let will you let me study please. will you let me study please. क्या आप मुझे मुताला करने देंगे. मेहरबानी करके क्या आप मुझे मुताला करने देंगे. will you let me study please. will you let me study please. This is an active form. So will you let me study please. So let is a causative verb and it's used in an active form. will you let me study please. क्या मेहरबानी करके आप मुझे मुताला करने देंगे. Let's see the next phrase and next one is you see here Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. 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 In this statement you see that Tom is a subject and he is helping out the boy who is the specific person driving the sheep जो के भेड़ों को हाँक रहा है. Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. In this statement, help is a causative verb, and Tom helps the boy. Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. Sheep are driven by the boy, but Tom helps the boy. Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. टॉम भेड़ों को हाँकने में लड़के की मदद करता है. टॉम भेड़ों को हाँकने में लड़के की मदद करता है. Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. This is also a beautiful statement, and in this statement you see that causative verb help is used. Tom helps the boy to drive the sheep. Tom भेड़ों को हाँकने में लड़के की मदद करता है. my students, these are very important and very important phrases. They are used commonly in communication and speaking, as well as these causative verbs are taught in academic studies. Please memorize these phrases and make a lot of practice with these causative verbs and these phrases. I I wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. Keep on watching my videos. Please do subscribe to my channel. I will see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.